Hello everyone, my name is Rimjim. Welcome back to new another video. Today I want to talk about how you can learn English from scratch as a beginner. But instead of giving you random tips, I want to share something personal. If I had to start my English journey again from zero, how would I do it? Because friends, I know the feeling of speaking English. I know how people struggle to speak English confidently and fluently. That's why I want to share this. When I was a beginner, nobody guided me properly, no one explained the right way to learn English. Okay, that's why I'm making this video. And because of that, I wasted a lot of time doing things that didn't really help me to grow and to improve my English. Okay, so I want to share all my mistakes, what I made in past when I was learning, okay, in the beginning, and how I improved all my mistakes and what really helped me to learn English. So I want to share in this video. Please watch this video till the end. This is something that I want to show you further in this video. Okay, actually this is my very first copy. I started my English journey from this copy only. Okay, literally I want to share everything what truly helped me. Okay, so just watch this video till the end. You know what happens with most beginners? They try to learn everything together: vocabulary, pronunciation, fluency, speaking, everything at once. And because of that, they become confused and frustrated. But when your guidance is clear from the start, learning English becomes much easier, right? You don't need to put extra efforts, just you will start speaking English easily, right? Because your direction is clear, right? You have a clear strategy that what you have to do so that you will start speaking English, and it will take less time because already you have a plan how you have to work, right? You have to learn this, you have to learn that, what all. So there were many things I wish I had done differently, but unfortunately I can't turn back time and go back to my past to say that you should have done these things instead of this. But that's okay. So the first mistake I would say that most of the beginners they do, that they start memorizing every single words. Okay, I want to show you something. See, this is my very first copy. I have written lot of words. Okay, you can see entire copy around I think 500 words there are in my copy, but there is no use of all these words that I have shown. Okay, there is no use, literally no use. The reason, because I have just written all these words, they are passive. Yeah, I have marked up these vocabularies, but not a single word is in my mind. The reason was these are not useful. I have written all these words just reading any random books. Okay, and these are not the daily using words that I can use in my daily life. So I can say that it was waste, it was really waste. But yeah, it gave me one lesson that if you want to learn English, if you want to improve your English, then you should have some list of vocabularies that is really useful to our day to day life. Okay, and yeah, I improved my mistake. I corrected my all mistakes, and now you can see me. Yeah, I am repeating this again and again because I know where all the beginners they get stuck. I know words are not visible properly because I am using front camera, so nothing is visible properly. You can see it, these all are opposite, right? All these are opposite, not appearing properly. Actually, the reason behind this, actually the reason I am showing you my copy that I have written these words in the beginning, not to tell you that I have written 500 words. Just I want to tell you one thing, that writing even 500 words can't help you to speak English. Initially, I used to think that all the words Okay, all the words are really important to speak English. But later I realized not every word that I read are really important to learn to speak English, right? So rather than trying to learn every single word, try to focus on the words that will help you to speak English. Okay, the reason why you are learning English, just you want to communicate, right? Not to sound advanced or complicated like Sasi Tharoor. Just you want to speak English. This is the first step. So why you are learning the complex and complicated words? Please don't do this. Okay, ignore this, avoid this habit. Don't write every single word in your copy. As a beginner, I used to think writing 5 to 10 words is all about learning English. Regularly, I used to write all the words, around 5 to 10 words, okay, with mother tongue, English to Hindi, like this, okay. You can see Hindi is written this side, English is this, okay. So I used to do, and I know most of the beginners they do the same. First they write English word, after that Hindi words of that particular vocabulary, right? But you know what happens when you write English to Hindi or you use your mother tongue? You are unable to learn vocabulary properly, because your mind will work only Hindi to English or your mother tongue to English. You will start translating. You will go in a process where it takes time to speak English. Okay, it's my personal experience. And if you are watching this video, it means you have to apply my personal opinions. So I will say, if you are writing a word like English, then mother tongue or Hindi, then try to write its example also. And yeah, one more thing, if you want to learn vocabulary naturally, then try to consume lot of English contents, okay, and learn words naturally, not just by translating. Otherwise your mind will just translate Hindi to English and you will never be fluent. Okay, the second thing I would say to do differently is to start speaking from day one. Yes, you heard it right. You have to start speaking from day one. Because honestly, tell me one thing, even if you start a speaking after 3 or 4 months, you will make, okay, you will make the similar mistakes. So later you will regret, I wish I had started speaking from day one. But okay, I am telling you, just start speaking from day one. So the message is really simple. Even if you have fear to make mistakes, just start speaking, okay, because mistakes are permanent. You will make mistakes always, because it's not our native language, right? You will improve this language day by day. You will learn something new or many things new every day. You will learn new things every day, because you are in the learning process. If you don't know what to speak, then watch English podcast or BBC English learning channel, because it will give you some ideas how to speak in English. Okay, you have to repeat whatever you watch, read and listen in BBC English learning channel for few months consistently. Okay, after that, try to speak your own thoughts, try to express your ideas in English. Why BBC English Learning channel? Because it has something. Look at this screenshot. Okay, 6 minutes on entertainment, how reading shapes our brain. Okay, lunch, breakfast. It talks about food habits also. Some science topics it cover. Okay, it covers. So you should watch this channel to improve your English on different topics. You will start speaking on different topics related to food, your habits, related to reading, science, etc. Okay, to boost my confidence, I would have done one more thing in the beginning if I knew. mirror technique. Okay, it's really important to speak in front of the mirror if you are learning English, because it helps you to boost your confidence while speaking. While looking at the mirror, you are looking at your eyes, right, directly. So it helps you to boost confidence and speak English confidently. Another great thing I will say, means I will suggest to you that watch Friends. Okay, instead of scrolling reels for hours, watch Friends, repeat that. Okay, watch, listen and repeat. This will help you to speak English fluently, definitely, because the conversation between friends, like they all are friends, roommate, whatever they are, they talk about the day to day live. So you should definitely watch Friends. If you liked my video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.